It is said that 5 children out of 1,000 births are born with severe to profound hearing impairment. All these children we give, say, hearing aids, but hearing aids do not do the job that is required to be done in order for the child to learn normal language and speech. Therefore, we have now cochlear implant, one of the best things that has happened. Now the cochlear implant basically aims at stimulating the nerve endings directly through a very special, you see this thread like thing. There are an array of 24 electrodes in this which stimulate the nerve endings and help in sending the speech signal directly to the human brain. And when it reaches directly through the stimulation of the nerve ending, it gives the child the feel of near normal sounds. But in order to get the meaning out of this different type of stimulation that child is getting, he has to undergo intensive training. Now what more do you want to expect in terms of a profoundly hearing lost child competing with the peers?
आप गाओगे वो गाना?
हाँ दीदी मैं गाऊंगी और डांस भी करूंगी।
ओके चलो फिर शुरू करो।
झूम झूम चा झूम झूम घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी धूम।
That is the miracle of cochlear implant.
Cochlear implant is now an established medical technology that can functionally restore one of the 5 senses when implanted at a young age. It restores hearing and helps normal development of hearing and speech. Cochlear implant is a well-established technology since 1986.
What is your name
My name is Natasha Uday Joshi.
and how old are you?
I am 8 years old.
When did you get your cochlear implant done?
I got my cochlear implant when I was 2.5 years old. After then, I started listening properly.
Shruti School, a project supported by Rotary Club of Bombay West, is one of such schools which have trained more than 150 children, and they are now in mainstream schools guiding and mentoring these children for a better life.
Hello, my name is Jessica Parikh. I was born with profound hearing impairment. My hearing loss was detected at the age of 11 months and I received a cochlear implant at the age of 18 months. I underwent therapy for around 1 year and thereafter I have been studying in a leading international school in Mumbai. I acquired normal hearing and speech due to cochlear implant. The cochlear implant has been a miracle and my life would have not been the same without the cochlear implant. I hope that each and every child requiring cochlear implant is able to acquire it.
Cochlear implant is a miracle, but its cost varies between Rs 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, which is out of reach for many parents. As it is critical that the implant is installed at the right age, many deserving children miss out this miracle due to the financial position of their parents.
Delay in getting an implant can severely affect results, including inability to develop normal speech. Hence, it is critical that implant is installed at the right age, that is when they are around 2 years old. Many deserving children miss out on this miracle due to inability of their parent to afford the cost.
Rotary Club of Bombay West, with support of Messrs N.K. Parikh Foundation, a well-known charitable foundation, has proceeded to help needy children acquire cochlear implants.
Rotary Club of Bombay West is taking care of the hearing impaired children since last 25 years. We have donated many equipments to Nanavati Hospital for the hearing impaired children. This year, we have taken a task of spreading the awareness of this problem throughout the country, and we are doing minimum 10 cochlear implants which are very expensive.
With a donation of Rs 30 lakhs, this year 5 children have been operated, an implant has been done, and another 5 children would be operated this year. This joint effort has been planned for next 2 Rotary years.
Bombay West would like to see all other Rotary clubs to join this movement and make this as a national project. We are available for any kind of assistance for this project.
A day should come when this problem is fully controlled and no child is deprived of hearing.
Donation from you can help restore one of the 5 senses. You can be part of the miracle. We urge you to make a donation and become a part of this miracle. Thank you.